Hey guys, in this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to buy USDT on Binance P2P in Uganda and other countries. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, as you can see, my Binance USDT balance is 0.07, so I'm going to go on and deposit some USDT on Binance. So let's get started guys. Go on and press right here on add funds. Press on add funds. Then guys, press on P2P trading right here. Then guys, as you can see, there is buy and sell right here. So we are buying this time around, so it should be in sell, as you can see right there. And when you are selling, it's always in sell, but this time around we are buying, so we'll leave it in buy. Now guys, once you reach this page, what you're going to do next is to find the vendor you're going to buy USDT from. But how to do it is, as you can see, every vendor has their own payment methods. As you can see, that one has M10 and Airtel, this one also M10 and Airtel, this one has cheaper cash, M10, Airtel, and so on guys. As you can see, every vendor has their payment method and they have the limit of the USDT they sell, as you can see right there. So guys, to make it easier, go on and press here on payment. Press right there on payment. Then guys, you can see there are many payment methods over here. As you can see, Airtel money, cheaper cash, M10 mobile money, Momo, Equity Bank, and so on. So guys, you're going to choose the payment method you would like to use to buy USDT on Binance. So I'm going to choose M10 mobile money after press on confirm. Then guys, next you're going to press the amount. You're going to press on the amount. Enter the amount of Ugandan shillings you want to use to buy USDT. So I'm going to enter 90k Ugandan shillings. That's what I want to use to buy USDT. So guys, after entering the amount, make sure you press on confirm. Now guys, Binance is bringing you those merchants on top, the one who allow your limit and the payment method you want to use. Now guys, after press on buy, you're going to choose the one on top and press on buy. Now guys, you're going to enter the amount of Ugandan shillings you want to use to buy USDT right there, and I'm entering 90k Ugandan shillings. And then guys, you can see that I'm going to receive 24.19 USDT. I'm going to receive 24.19 USDT, as you can see right there. Then guys, after that, press here and add a payment method you want to use. Select a payment method, and that is M10 mobile money. Press on that one you would like to use. So me, I'm using M10 mobile money. Then guys, after that, press on place order. Now guys, here are the order details. As you can see, I'm going to pay 90k Ugandan shillings, and then the price he's selling USDT, and then the total quantity of USDT I'm going to receive. Then guys, after that, you can go on and press on chat to see what this merchant is saying. Now guys, the reason why we should check on this chat first is because these merchants, before we pay, they would like us to see something before we make a payment. They put for us something here we should read before making a payment. So always, if you are buying USDT on Binance, first check on the chat. So now guys, after viewing what is in the chat, come on and press on view payment details right there. Press on view payment details, and right here is the info. As you can see right here is the info. There is a name. You should see the name guys, so that you don't make any mistake, and then the amount you're going to pay right here. And then guys, you can see there is also the phone number, so go on and copy the phone number from there. After copying the phone number, go on and make the payment. Now guys, you can see that I'm done making a payment right there. So after making the payment, go on and press on transfer, notify the seller right here. Now guys, I'm waiting for the seller to release my crypto. I'm waiting for this guy to release my crypto because I'm done sending him money. Now guys, you can see I'm done depositing USDT on my Binance account, and right here you can see 24.19 USDT, and that's how you can buy USDT on Binance P2P. So guys, to go back and check on my wallet, on my Binance wallet, guys, as you can see, to go back and check on my Binance wallet, let's refresh the page to see how much USDT do I have. You can see right here is the amount of USDT I have on my Binance account. Right here is the amount of USDT I have in my Binance account. So I'm done to deposit. So that's how you can do it also. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.